In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and attachments in Google Meet. This great feature allows you to efficiently collaborate with your team or friends and ensure everyone has the documents they need right at their fingertips during your meeting. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to meet.google.com. This is the landing page for Google Meet, where you can join or start any video conferencing calls. Next, you'll want to click on the small grid icon, often called the waffle icon, located in the top right corner of the page. This icon is your gateway to accessing various Google apps, and in this case, we need to open Google Calendar. Once you're in Google Calendar, you have the option to either create a new event or select an existing one that's linked to your Google Meet session. This step is crucial because file sharing is done through the calendar event associated with your meeting. After you've selected or set up your event, click on More Options. This will open up the full event settings, allowing you more control over the details. In the Event Details section, you'll find an option to add a Google Drive attachment. Clicking this will allow you to either choose a file directly from your Google Drive or paste a shareable link to a file that might reside elsewhere. If you're choosing a Google Drive file, simply navigate within your drive to find the document you want to share. Once you've selected your file, it's important to adjust the file permissions to ensure that all meeting participants can access it. You want to make sure that you select the appropriate sharing settings so everyone in your meeting can view or edit the document as needed. This step avoids any confusion or hassle during the meeting itself. After you've configured the file sharing settings, go ahead and click Save to apply these changes to your event. This action ensures that your attachments are now part of the meeting's agenda. The files and their permissions are secured, and your calendar event is updated. The final step is to start your Google Meet session. Once the meeting begins, all participants will be able to see and access the files you've attached to the calendar event. This streamlined process not only saves time, but also enhances the collaborative experience, making your meetings more productive and efficient. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to share files and attachments in Google Meet. With this capability, you can bring your meetings to the next level, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and that you have all the necessary resources for a successful collaboration. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your meetings.